Good morning, guys. Today we are going to have our new lesson about volume of sphere. Let's start our slideshow. Volume of sphere, you can find it in a global sphere or any ball that you have in your real life. Our objectives, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to know the volume of sphere formula and how to apply in a direct applications. To start our lesson, you must prepare the following: a paper and pen in order to save and write down your questions, and the calculators to help you. See that video, you will find that the volume of sphere equal 2/3 volume of cylinder. Let's watch. I have a cylinder and I have a sphere with the same diameter and the same height. If I filled this sphere by a water, you will see that it will fill the cylinder by 2/3 only of the cylinder. As you see, it's 2/3 the volume of cylinder. So if we relate it to the volume formulas that we studied, you have a cylinder and you have a sphere. The cylinder with a radius r and a height h, and the sphere, it has the same radius, which is r, and the h, it will be 2r, because we have two radius here. I have a radius and radius, so the height, it will be 2r. So volume of sphere equal 2/3 volume of cylinder, as we watched the video. So volume of sphere equal 2/3. The volume of cylinder is pi r squared times h. Now I'm going to replace the h to be a 2r as we took it here. So volume of sphere equal 2/3 pi r squared times 2r. So we will get that the formula of volume sphere equal 4/3 pi r cube. So we have here 2 times 2, it gives me 4, and over 3 as it is in the denominator, so it will be 4/3 pi r cubed. So our formula today, it will be a volume of sphere equal 4/3 pi r cubed. Let's take some examples. Page 1161 in your books. Find the volume of a spherical water tank with a diameter 27 meter, round to the nearest cubic meter. Find the radius first. So I have here a diameter, so I have to divide it by 2. So the radius equal diameter divided 2, it gives me 27/2. So it gives me 13.5 meter. Then I'm going to replace the r in our rule, which is volume of sphere equal 4/3 pi r cubed. So volume of sphere is 4/3. The pi stay as it is, and the radius, it will be 13.5 cubed. So we will find that it's 10,305.99 meter cubed. As we are going to round it to the nearest cubic meter, so we are going to get rid of these two numbers after the decimal. So the 9, it will push the 5 to give me 6. So the answer is 10,306 meter cubed. This is the final answer and the volume for this spherical water tank. Another example, find the volume of the opposite sphere round to the nearest tenth. Here is our sphere. So I have the radius, which is a direct application. So volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So here we have 3.7 inch, the radius. So I'm going to put 4/3 pi as it is, and 3.7 cubed. I will find it 212.17 inch cubed. By approximation, it gives me 212.2 inch cubed. And this is the volume for that sphere. Another example, Round the volume of a spherical bubble flask, round to the nearest tenth. Here we have a diameter. It is 11. So this is a diameter, so I have to get the radius first. So get the radius first, which is r equals diameter over 2, which is 11 over 2, and gives me 5.5 feet. Then I'm going to put it inside our rule. It will be 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So the volume is 4 over 3, the pi stays as it is, and the 3 here is 5.5 cubed. The answer will be 696.90 feet cubed, and to the nearest tenth, it gives me the 9, the 0, it will not push the 9, so it will be stay as it is, 696.9 feet cubed. Here we are, the volume of the spherical bubble flask. Another example with another type and another idea. Find the volume if the circumference is given round to the nearest tenth. Here we have the circumference of the circle, and it's given by 14 pi centimeter. So as he get me the circumference, I don't have here the radius or a diameter to get it. So I'm going to use this rule to find the radius first. So the circumference, we have it before, it's 2 pi r. So I have the circumference here, which is 14 pi, as he gave it to me, and 2 pi r as it is. The pi, it will cancel the pi, so it will be 2r equals 14. So I'm going to get the 2 by a division. It will be 14 divided 2, it gives me 7. So here the r is 7. Now I'm going to replace the r inside my rule, which is volume equal 4 over 3 pi r cubed, and the radius here is 7 cubed. So the answer is 1,436.75 centimeter cubed. And by approximation, it gives me the 5 will push the 7, it gives me 8. So 1,436.8 centimeter cubed. And here is the volume for this bubble or for this sphere. Thank you for watching.